Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel in another video of Clinical Dentistry Hub. So today this video is all about the various kind of expenses which is to be done and which are to be done while pursuing MDS of total duration of 3 years course, excluding your tuition fees plus hostel fees. So apart from giving expenditure of your tuition fees and the hostel fees, what are the various expenses that has to be done while pursuing MDS? Because India is a developing country. All of us are not from a upper class family or not from a upper middle class or upper higher class. There are some students who are from lower middle class family and want to pursue MDS and they don't get government seat, and then it is not likely that all of the students who are good in studies will get government seat. I have seen many of the students who are extremely good in studies, despite being practicing 2 to 3 times, they didn't get into the government colleges, so they opt for the private colleges because they have a dream to pursue MDS. That's the biggest thing, to have a dream about it and to accomplish it. If you have a courage to pursue MDS, you go into a college and pursue MDS. The one thing you should keep in mind that you should have to show full dedication and sincerity to pursue the course, then only you will gain out of it. So these students, they do have to think that what will be the expenses, कि अभी इतना tuition fees है तो इसके बाद और expenses कितना होगा, तो what can be the overall total budget which we can keep in mind while going any other city and any other state to pursue MDS. So let's just begin the video without wasting time. My name is Dr. Shabista Jabi. I'm pursuing my MDS in Pediatric and Preventive Dentistry. My final year is about to complete. So let's just begin today's video. So basically, if you are pursuing MDS from a private institution, apart like you are paying 4 to 5 lakh per year, as the fees has been now been reduced. Earlier, like it was from the management seat, from donation quota, it was like all of time it was like 8 lakhs to 9 lakh per year, but due to need, the fees has been fixed by the various institute, has to be fixed by the government itself. So it is around, in some institute you will find it around 3 lakh per year, some will have 4 lakhs, some will have 5 lakhs and 6 lakh, like Manipal and all these deemed university, they have these fees of 8 to 9 lakh per year differently. So if you go there, तो ये सब तो हो गया कि ट्यूशन फ़ी इतनी देनी पड़ेगी, उसके बाद हॉस्टल एक्सपेंसेस भी है। अगर आप बाहर जाके रहकर पढ़ रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर अगर हॉस्टल एक्सपेंसेस देखा जाए तो कई जगह 1.25 लाख है, कहीं पर 1 लाख पर ईयर है, एंड सम हैव 1.5 लाख. इन हायर इंस्टीट्यूट दे हैव these deemed and all, they have 2 lakh per year your hostel charges. So total 3 years course is there, so all these expenses plus when you enter this, there you have to deposit security fee also. Some take it 50,000, some take it 1 lakh, and some even take it 5 lakh of security deposit, which eventually they'll return. These are refundable. Security deposit will be refunded to you at the end of your 3 years when you will pass out, will take degree and all. At that time it will be refunded back to you. So coming on to when you join the college, and then you have your first year starting, that is the entire 6 month completely starting from the 6th month, that is your preclinical time. In those preclinical time, you have to buy all the stuff related to your preclinical exercises, all other books you have to buy. So related to like you can keep a budget of about 15 to 20,000 for your preclinical work, buying each and everything. If you like, if you are doing in pedo, then you have to buy the forceps and all these instruments. You have to buy all these pliers, you have to buy contouring pliers for the crowns and all, and then Adams Universal, then you have a band pusher and everything, then wire is also there, wax carving. You need to have a good wax carver of GDC, then only you can do an appropriate good carving at that time. So all these you can just keep a budget of about 20,000 to pursue good items, so that you can use it in the clinical also. These contouring pliers and everything can be used in the clinical practice also. So if you are buying it at that time, take a good company of GDC1. All the pliers of GDC you can buy at that time only, so that it is useful to you when you enter in your clinics. So then you have to get register yourself. Every society, every department has a different society of their own. Like periodontics, we have Indian Society of Periodontics and Preventive Dentistry. Prostho people have their own, perio people have their own society. So you have to be a member of that society. For that you have to register yourself. That will be approx 11,000 to 10,000, 11, 12,000 depending upon different society. These registration has to be done one time, that is in the first year only. Will carry on forward when you are student. As an MDS student you will be registered in the society. Next expenditure is that you have to attend these conferences and convention at that time. So a conference registration has to be done. Every department has different registration fees for their conferences. So for the entire 3-year course you have to attend 4 conferences and 4 convention. The conference registration is about 10 to 11,000 at that time. Plus you can take your travel charges. You have to go by the flight, because if you have your conference for 3 to 4 days, you will not get enough holidays so that you can travel along. Like you have conference in Nagpur and Maharashtra, 2 days in traveling, you will not get enough holidays for traveling in train. So you have to take a flight ticket so that you can take a holiday of 1 to 3 days for the conference from the college itself. And then those expenses also of traveling, hotel stay, plus eating and all. One conference will cost you about, if you go there you will buy something new from that city also, from that state also. So approx 25 to 30,000 you can take a budget of your staying of these conferences. And then conventional charges also the same. For 1 year you have 1 conference and 1 convention. So total you have to attend 4 including conference and convention. Total 4 you have to attend in the entire 3-year journey. So these are all about conference and convention. Plus you will have different parties in your department, like joining party to the college. Then when you will enter clinic you will give clinic joining party. These are the minor expenditure which you will have. Farewell party you will have, freshers party you will have to give yourself outside the college in a good restaurant over there. So these are all the minor expenditures that is to be done. Now at the first year you have to submit performa. For that you do not have any submission fees for the performa at that time. Only you need the money for getting it binded, will be around 500 to 1,000 only for the binding of these performas, because these are very little pages, not much expenditure of these things. Now at first year you will have your basic science paper. So for the examination you have to deposit, like at some colleges it's 25,000 for one paper. They deposit 25,000 as an examination fees. Some take it 30,000, some take it 8,000 depending upon different university, and some even don't take it any money out of it. So these are examination fees at the first year. In the next year you will enter the clinic. You can take all of this. College, they do not provide all the things to the student while practicing clinically. So at that time, like you have to have your these if you want to learn advanced dentistry, you'll have to have an endomotor is basically you will get it by the department. Then these rotary files, you have to have your all these advanced instruments which is there in the dentistry is coming up every year. You need to buy it on your own. So iska bhi you have to keep your budget. Plus for LD submission, second year you do not have any submission fees for the LD. Only the binding will cost you around 2,000 to 25,000. Next you have your, in the third year, your thesis submission. For thesis submission we have thesis submission fees. Some take it 25,000, some take it 20,000, and some even take it 15,000 depending on different universities. Then thesis binding fees. Then for these thesis submission parties also there. Iska bhi minor expenditure for up to 10,000 you can keep it. And then you have to give third year exam. So third year final exam you have to give. 3 paper are there. So some take it 75,000 for 3 exam, and some take it 1 lakh, some take it 50,000. Now again it depends on university to university. So these are the total expenditure which is to be done for the entire third year. So choose wisely which college you have to pursue, and you have to think of the expenditure, make a budget out of it, that you can expend only these amount of money for the entire third year. So if you have any problem, you can just put it down in the comment section, and of course don't forget to like, share, and who haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the red color subscribe button. I'm signing it off. Take care. Bye.